hurricane. Remarkable winds, just to think that could occur here.
Yeah, about a Category 3 strength of wind there. So, I mean, we get those really strong fall and winter storms, but that one.
Yeah, I believe that was like, that was
that.
in mid-October, even though they were talking about it today.
Yes, yeah, that's right, October 12th. So, yeah, we'll have more about that, I'm sure, as we get closer. You know, we're always thinking about that, and some of you recall that sort of system. We have nothing like that, Wayne. It is so nice out there today, and we're going to keep it going as we go into the next few days. Real nice weekend to be outdoors. There's Portland right now. So I shifted the camera around. Remember I told you if you look to the north, there's a few more clouds. You can kind of see that rope of cloud coverage moving right through. There's downtown Portland. We have the blue sky, kind of some thin cirrus clouds out there as well. McMinnville, we love this scene that's looking out of the northwest. If you're out in wine country today, great day to be outdoors and just sipping on a glass. You can see right there. And Lincoln City, some cirrus clouds, kind of wispy. And Kalama, the amphitheater there, and the river. I just love this shot. We can actually zoom on in. This is coming out of the Kalama Harbor Lodge, McMinniman's location there. So great day to be outside, sitting on the grass, enjoying the weather. It's going to get a little bit cooler, and if you're going to be out in the coming days, afternoons warm. In fact, I have us near 90 degrees for tomorrow and potentially even on Monday. But overnights might be a little bit cooler, and that goes for the morning. So if you're going for that morning walk, you might need actually a long sleeve or a sweatshirt. Okay, I do have some rain moving through probably on Wednesday, really in the early morning hours, and then again on Thursday. I'll show you that in the FUTURECAST here in just 1 second. Temperatures have been really warm this September, and we're going to keep it going. In fact, this is possibly the warmest September on record. So far, we're sitting at that, 69.9 degrees. Okay, so that's actually the high temperature and the low temperature average together. That's what we work with. Know some of the other notable years there of recent. 2020, we had 67.4 when we wrapped up the month. You can see the average, though, 63.8. So we are well above average. And a lot of that has to do with our overnight temperatures, too. Those have just not been cooling down as much as what we usually see for this time of the year. Well, not a lot going on. We have that rope of clouds just to the west of us. High pressure is starting to fill on in, and eventually we'll see more of kind of an easterly wind or an offshore flow coming through. It's not going to be gusty, but it's going to be enough to really just keep us warm. You can see on the weather pattern here that ridge develops. We're watching for a trough. That trough usually means some cooler air. Yeah, that's going to arrive as we go into Tuesday night into Wednesday. You can see how that hits the Pacific Northwest. We kind of push that ridge back down to the southeast. So that's that warm summer air down here. And now that we're in fall, we're going to start to see more of an active jet stream, so things will be meandering in and out. And with that, we may get a shot of some rain and some cooler conditions. That's just going to be more frequent as we go through, you know, September, late September now, heading into October. I have some rain moving in on Wednesday, as I mentioned. So I'll show you in the FUTURECAST here. We get you through the overnight. It's dry. Here's Sunday afternoon, evening. I just kind of sped on through because there's not a lot to discuss. I mean, really not even cloud coverage out there. Maybe some high thin clouds starting to move on through on Monday with a little weak disturbance. You can kind of see them passing on by, maybe a stronger marine flow. But we're still dry on Monday, and that goes for Tuesday as well. We have golfing weather. We have just the type of weather to be outdoors. Really great hiking weather moving on in. All right, FUTURECAST, as I take us through to Tuesday into Wednesday, though. Okay, here's Wednesday morning. Now notice that we have this streak of green kind of pasted right over the top of us. That's going to be some rain that moves on in with a cold front. And I think it's just going to be light. In fact, it's probably more just going to be the overcast conditions with some drizzle. It dries up as we go through the day, and then we get to Thursday. We still see maybe another marine layer and some very light rain. Again, this is not going to be a lot, but we'll probably get some raindrops and enough to get the ground pretty wet as we go into Wednesday, maybe Thursday morning. Behind that, though, we dry up, and we see nothing but some real nice weather. So, okay, so near 90 degrees, as I mentioned, for tomorrow. I have us at 88, so it's going to be feeling like summer. That's why I don't put the clothes away just yet. You can do the shorts, you can do all the good stuff. 87 degrees on Monday, Tuesday at 82, chance for some rain Wednesday morning. Then again on Thursday morning, Wayne, notice temperatures dropping down to the lower 70s, and then back to the mid-70s. So we have real nice weather, a little warm, and then, you know, a little bit cooler by midweek.
Yeah, great weekend. All right, thank you so much.